Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar yen, I still think this is extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think we're in a wave 4 right now, which will look something like that, and eventually back up for wave 5. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the bottom of an A. I think we're now in an A, B, C, or B, which I still don't really think is over. And eventually, I think it's going to go down for a wave C, and this should be an A, B, C of 4, probably targeting around the 50% Fibonacci retracement, someplace around the 150 area. So let's keep that in mind. It is the weekly monthly, so it's going to take a long time to play out. Heading down to the daily time frame, I still think that this is the A. I think this is the A of B, B of B, and I think we're now in a wave C of wave B, which I am still targeting the 138, 123 for the possible end of a wave B before it goes down for the wave C. So let's take it all the way down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I was hoping that we had a breakout. It was finally looking pretty impulsive. But man, it's starting to look a little bit on the bearish side. But for me, as long as it does not break structure, I'm definitely looking at every move I see to the downside as possibly just a correction to the last wave up. So this easily could make another higher low and just keep on trending up. We definitely do not have a break of structure to the downside, so the trend is definitely still up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it is looking pretty impulsive down on the sort of time frames. And if we start breaking structure, which it looks like we're about to start breaking structure, then I would instantly throw my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. I would still be looking at this move down as possibly making another ABC correction to the uptrend. Like I said, until we actually get proof that this thing is going down in any significant way, I would look at every move I see to the downside as possibly just a correction to the last wave up. I would still be looking for Fibonacci bounces. I would be looking for three-wave pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend, at least until we get a break of structure on preferably like the 4 to 8 hour time frame range to the downside, which we definitely do not have yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.